Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. New Year. First of all, I would like to wish all of you a very happy and prosperous New Year. What is New Year? The day after Diwali, which we are celebrating, is New Year. We celebrate New Year with enthusiasm and fervor, which symbolizes the progression into new lunar year. It means it indicates the personal, financial, spiritual, professional new beginnings. In short, all the new aspects of your life which you are going to start. This festival sets around the time of Libra new moon, which represents balance as well as harmony. This change in Libra signifies voyage in the direction of higher sagacity and consciousness. New Year is also celebrated as Govardhan Puja. We also call it as Annakut Puja, Vishwakarma Puja, as victory of Lord Krishna over Indra. We should pray and do the puja of arms, weapons, instruments to gratify Lord Vishwakarma. As we lead you back towards the Vedas, you must pray Varun Indra and Agni on this day. Govardhan Puja started from Braj and gradually became prevalent throughout India. It is celebrated to commemorate the history of Govardhan Parbat mountain, which saved the lives of many people from incessant rains. It is a pious ceremony and therefore few things we should always take care. See, all the members of your family should take food, should eat food from the same kitchen and take oil bath in the morning. Also, I suggest that the woman of the house, any woman of a particular family, should start her day by taking meal and having some sweets. I advise that you should wear as well as you should use light color, light yellow color, orange color clothes while doing the puja. Cows were very favorite of Lord Krishna. So it is advisable and I suggest that you should worship cows and offer some jaggery to cows. Also, you should not forget to pray your Ishtadev while worshipping cows. See, usage of sticks of sugarcane, curd, unboiled milk, rice, if you are offering in puja, it is an added advantage. Some people offer 56 varieties of sweets, of food to Lord Krishna. We also call it as Chhappan Bhog. But it is highly recommended that you please try to avoid garlic or onion in any variety. Secondly, I suggest you to chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namaha facing east direction, sitting on some asan. White asan is preferable. This is beneficial and this will bring positiveness in your life as well as it will remove all the obstacles and will resolve issues from Santan Paksh. I would also recommend you to chant Shri Girri Raj Dharan Prabhu Teri Sharan while you are performing Govardhan Puja. It will give you good health. I am sure if you are following these things, if you are taking into consideration all these things, your future life will be on the whole happier side. Secondly, you will be getting peace of mind. Mental happiness will be seen. Prosperity will be seen. Last but not the least, I again wish you a very happy new year and may all your wishes be fulfilled. Stay happy. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.